Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Monday. I think it's Monday. I hope everybody is doing well and stopping by real quick. I'm back to making the link necklaces. I've just been kind of busy over the last couple of days working on some other projects, and I'm just about done with those. I have been working on earrings, like wire earrings, but I haven't been videotaping myself, like actually making full length videos. Only been doing some shorts. So I've been working on those and then some other stuff. But anyway, this morning I was working on necklaces. So this is one of the link necklaces. And then this is one of the bevels. What I did is painted different colors, use different color paints inside the bevel, put a little varnish over the paint so to have a little shine to it, and then I went ahead and glued the beads in using some E6000. That E6000 is a monster for real. It literally holds. I've done this before with the smaller round bevels, and I glued in a bunch of the little stones, the little bitty mini stones, and I wear that necklace, and they last. I mean, it really lasts a good time. That E6000 is pretty good. And then I went ahead and beaded it instead of just a single bead. I went ahead and thread it, and then looped, and then thread, and then went ahead and put one of the little metal pineapple beads, and then we got some more beads, and then we just kind of went up with the different glass beads up here, just to give it some diversity and a sense of style and beads. And I think it came out really nice. I like it. It's a lobster clasp on the back. And I close it off right here with a jump ring because it's 18 inches and my display is not for 18-inch. So in order for it to display nicely, I just put a jump ring up here to close it off so the length on it would be nice. But it is 18 inches. So I am making the link necklaces. Most of them are 18 inches. And then some I'm going to make longer than 18 inches. So I'm going to come back in a little while with some other necklaces. And again, I haven't been showing myself linking the necklaces together because it's very time consuming to link these beads. Like put the wire through, close them off, and then keep going, keep going, keep going, and then come back and then link them all. It's very lengthy, and that would make for like a really long video. And I don't think people want to sit and watch me do that. And then plus, I don't want to be talking that long. I know I be chatting, but sometimes I don't want to be talking in video. Sometimes I really just don't want to. And then there are times I want to just go ahead and not say anything and just put music over the video, but I don't like it like that. I think it's a little bit more natural and it adds a little bit more to the video personally, like when I'm talking in the video. And guess what, family? We'll talk.